Monument Grills just released their new Mesa series grill. Trendy, retro, tech savvy, and today we're gonna be reviewing it. Let's jump into it. Alright, so if you guys have watched Babe and I before, you know that we're huge fans of Monument Grills. Now this new Mesa series grill, they did a lot of cool stuff on it, so I want to take you step by step at some of the new perks. As a small, compact, 2-burner gas grill, I think you guys are really going to like it. So let's just dive into some of the new features and some of the technology / it looks pretty dang cool. Let me show you what they did. All right, what we have here is the trendy new Monument Grills Mesa Series 2-burner grill. 12,000 BTUs times 2 burners, 450 square inches of total grilling area, and cast iron cooking grates. As you can see, the Mesa series incorporates Clearview technology, which I really love, especially on our other Monument grill. It allows for an easy glimpse of food during the grilling process, so you don't have to open. Now this is an upgraded die-cast aluminum lid. Corrosion resistant, superior heat retention compared to all the other previous models. It's stainless steel model. It's really nice. I like this a lot. The overall grilling performance with the new die-cast lid, I think is going to keep the heat in a lot better. I wanted to show you the changes to the built-in thermometer. They've really elevated this thermometer. The maximum detection temperature of this thermometer is 800 degrees. The last model was 700 degrees, and they've redesigned so that it looks a lot nicer, a lot more retro techy kind of this. It's really cool. Now hopefully you guys can see this okay. They redesigned these handles. They put a flame logo on it here. You turn the lights on right here on the side button, but when you run the grill, you'll see it's a white light around here. It looks especially really pretty at night. And then as you're doing it, you see how it turns to red based on the temperature of what you're grilling at. So that's kind of neat. If you're on low or on, goes back to white, goes to red if you're getting really crazy. So very interesting, nice new chrome knobs. I like them a lot. And then if you don't want to run that, you just turn it off. Honestly, if you don't have a lot of area in your backyard like I do, this Mesa grill is really tailored for like a compact gas grill. It caters to users with a limited space. Maybe you have like an apartment balcony or just a small area. So what they've done is they've designed folding side shelves to complement its smaller grilling area if that's what you need. Now, under the hood, some of my favorite parts. This has a whole easy clean system in here, which I could say using my other Monument grills has absolutely been fantastic. Everything goes down in it. And these are enamel coating, so this can handle really high heat. It won't corrode, and it's very easy to clean that too. Then they went ahead and upgraded it by putting these cast iron grill grates on here, which if you have worked with cast iron, it's fantastic. Great heat retention. They make those awesome grill marks that we all love and like, you know, restaurant quality and stuff like that. And these are super easy to clean. Little scrub brush, little barbecue brush. These are really easy to clean. You get 450 inches in here just as a real professional, big, huge barbecue in a small little package. They did a really nice job with everything under the hood here. All right, I'm gonna take you guys vlog style to show you 2 more really cool features. Let's open this up. Now look under here. You see that easy grease tray right there? That just slides out. When that's full of grease, super easy to clean, no hassle whatsoever. I really like that feature because that'll fill up, you dump it, you put it back in, easy peasy. All right, I put this arm back up, but look at these. Lastly, they got these hooks here, nice and easy. You can hang whatever whatever utensils you need from here, your barbecue brushes, your fork, whatever, tongs. I like that. So that's really convenient also. If you guys are on YouTube and you've taken the time to hit that little join button next to the subscribe button, our top tier and our epic tier 3 channel members are rolling across the screen right now. Thank you guys for sticking with us. Appreciate you. Thank you for following us, liking, subscribing, doing all that fun stuff. We look forward to cooks on this and all the cooks in the backyard. Spring is coming, summer's coming. We look forward to interacting with you. All right. Bye. Time for dinner now. As you can see, this is our Monument Grills Denali 405, which I'm actually very embarrassed. Look at how dirty it is. But I can honestly say, with all my heart, that we've used the hell out of this thing, and it works fantastic. So there you go. Just overall, really nice, compact, 2-burner gas grill for the money. I think you guys are really gonna enjoy it. It comes in really cool colors. Monument Grills is tried and trusted. I use their other one. I use the hell out of it, and we love it. So really excited for the burn-in and our first cook on this one. But loving it so far. All the features, good job.